Got a Century High C. It's a mid-roof style fiberglass top. Fits the 92 to 96 Ford F150 with the Flareside bed. It's like a hammerhead style. As you can see there. It's got sliding windows on the side. Half side sliders on the sides. It's got a little bit of a high rise in the center. About a 4-inch rise over cab height. The paint on this one is pretty faded. It was a gel coat unit before they actually painted them, so it was originally black. It's just faded into gray. If you want a nice shine, you're going to need to put a paint job on this one. Pretty good shape. Not a lot of gouges and scratches on this one here. Until you get to the front, you've got a couple spots. There's a spot right there, a scratch, and some scratches along this edge. Looks like somebody might have stored it standing on its end. A lot of that could be fixed when they paint it. Some scratches down through there. That's probably the worst part on this whole top. It's right there. Sliding window in the front. Side sliders, half side sliders on this side as well. And this is what they call the hammerhead, 'cause it comes out, goes back in for the Flareside step side bed, and then comes out at the front there to hit the back of the cab. So not a lot of gouges and scratches on this one. It's just faded really bad. Used to be black, and now it's just kind of faded gray. Top looks good. Locking T-handle, rear door. It's got some holes in the screens, a couple of them right there. Another one right there. This one screen looks pretty good other than that. Sliding window there in the front. Looks pretty decent. Don't see any huge signs of leaking in here. This one is missing the screen. So there it is, Century mid-roof design, the High C. Fits the 92 to 96 Ford F150 with the Flareside or the step side bed. Thanks for watching.